Welcome to What's Cooking in Worcester, a cooking series featuring delicious, nutritious takes on some of our favorite recipes. The fall is here. That means warm, fuzzy sweaters, campfires, and of course, pumpkin. So today we're going to celebrate fall by making the perfect pumpkin pancakes. This recipe is super easy, and get this, it's $2 to make. So let's get started. I'll give my griddle a light coat of cooking spray and turn it on medium heat. Same thing if you're using stovetop. While that's warming up, I'm going to combine all of my dry ingredients in a large mixing bowl. So that's the flour, brown sugar, baking powder, pumpkin pie spice, and salt. Then, in a separate medium bowl, I'm going to combine my wet ingredients. That would be my egg, the canned pumpkin, the milk, and the vegetable oil. Give it a little stir. I'm just going to combine my wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. It smells delicious. Now my griddle should be nice and hot, and what I'm going to do is use a 1/4 measuring cup to measure out my batter. And then I'm just going to put it on the griddle. As you can see, this recipe is super easy and inexpensive to make. It has a lot of vitamin A and calcium and only 130 calories. I love this recipe for fall, but you can actually make it any time of the year and jazz it up by adding some fresh fruit like sliced bananas or blueberries. You'll get about 12 servings from this recipe, with one pancake being one serving. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed What's Cooking in Worcester, and remember to eat healthy, be active, and prevent diabetes today.